Hi, I'm Ruth Angelina. Welcome to Simply Made Fancy, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how I created a Voltron birthday party for my son's 5th birthday. So take a look. So my son Blake Walker is a very unique little boy with particular ideas of what he wanted his 5th birthday to be, down to when he wanted it and what theme he wanted. He wanted a summer birthday at the playground. Mind you, Blake's birthday is March 20th, the first day of spring, and it's pretty cold still in New York for a birthday party in the playground. We decided that we would grant him his little wish and do that. He also wanted a Voltron birthday party. So mom and dad decided, okay, we'll go for it and we'll grant him his wish for his birthday. So that's exactly what we did. So we hit the Pinterest and Amazon to look for anything that we can possibly get that was Voltron related, or we can tie in the theme. Thanks to Pinterest, we were able to find these Voltron free printable pendant banners, and we printed a bunch so that we can create a little garland for his birthday station. Also, we found these printables of the Voltron sword and the Voltron mask. So I went to my craft store and I bought the different colors that I needed out of foam so I can create that mask. And let me show you how I put that together.
All right, so Dad's making a little cut in here to kind of show you what I'm working on for Blake's 5th birthday. As my wife explained, he wants everything Voltron. I don't know if any of you guys grew up in the 80s, but Voltron was a big thing, a big deal kind of for some kids. And then it came out like a couple years ago on Netflix, and he discovered it on Netflix one day and became obsessed. But anyway, and we found these instructions online. They were actually from Netflix, I guess some kind of promotion that they ran where you can make a sword and you can make the mask. So as you can see right there, the mask, it's different colors. Like there's blue, there's yellow, there's black, there's red, there's gray. That's what we're gonna try to do. We're gonna try to create this mask, cut out these templates, cut out all these template sheets and all these weird shapes. So that's enough talking for me, because before I know it, she's gonna come over here and yell at me. So let's get to work. As you can see, that's what the mask is supposed to look like. And here's what I got, all the pieces cut out. So I'm still missing those little blue tabs that are right there, so I'm just gonna cut those out and put those in. But not bad, right? Not bad at all on a Friday night. His little Voltron mask. Then next I'm gonna work on the sword. And my wife is working on the cake, so you can check that out as well. But we're doing pretty good. And there it is, folks. There's the mask. Not too shabby. And there's his Voltron sword that he will be fighting the forces of evil with. There's the Voltron mask right there. I just got to put a little elastic on it so that he can wear it. And there's this little sword, and what I did was I just kind of sandwiched that this foam material that I cut to pieces, and I just sandwiched it in between a sheet of cardboard to give it some sturdiness. I think he'll like it, you know. And as you'll see in the cake video, oof, that cake is pretty gnarly. It's pretty cool. So stay tuned.
Now, didn't that come out pretty cool? At least I think so. I'm hoping that he loves it. I'm sure he will. Now, what's the most important thing about a birthday party? Well, for me, it's the cake, and it's where I get to use my imagination and my hands to create something beautiful for my boys or for whoever's having a birthday party. Now, this is a pretty difficult theme because Voltron and cake, I was racking my brain trying to figure out what to do. I looked on Pinterest for a couple ideas and I wasn't really thrilled about anything that I saw. And I also showed Blake a couple of pictures and he wasn't happy with anything either. So during a sleepless night, yes, I do have sleepless nights when I'm trying to rack my brain and think of an idea and it just doesn't come to me. I decided to do a geode cake. It just popped into my brain because I figured, you know, Voltron is kind of like a space theme, and I just think galaxy and like minerals and rocks. So that's when the idea came out of creating a geode cake. Now for that video, please check out the link and I'll show you all about how I created this geode Voltron cake.
Welcome to my party.
You like it? You're happy about your party?
You're doing good. Good job.
Try to cut the cake with
Cut the cake with the Voltron sword! Now put the sword like this, go ah!
Cut it.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my birthday adventure. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And please check out some of my other videos. See you next time.